It was late. The room was dark. One sentence, one touch, one absence that should never have happened. And just like that, my body wasn't mine anymore. My heart started running code I never wrote. My stomach twisted into knots at the smell of certain cologne. Sleep became a minefield. I smiled on the outside, but inside, the program was already rewriting my future. What if I told you the same silent code is running in millions of us right now? What if I told you it's not a flaw in your character, it's installed malware? And tonight, right here in the freedom sphere, we're going in. We're decrypting the trauma code and we're deleting it for good. Welcome to the freedom sphere. I'm your guide through the hidden architectures of the human soul. This is the place where we breach the vaults that society told us were impenetrable. Today's mission is one of the most dangerous and liberating we've ever undertaken. By the end of this transmission, you will understand exactly how the code was written into your system and the precise sequence of steps to decrypt it, isolate it, and permanently delete it. This isn't fluffy positivity. This is surgical liberation. Trauma is older than language. Ancient cultures didn't call it PTSD. They called it soul loss. In shamanic traditions across Siberia, the Amazon, and Africa, they understood that when something too violent, too violating, or too overwhelming happens, a fragment of your essence flees the body to survive. The person keeps walking, but part of them is missing. The body becomes a haunted house. The Stoics spoke of impressions that imprint so deeply they distort our ability to see reality clearly. Buddhist texts describe the poisons of aversion, craving, and delusion that lodge in the subtle body after shock. They all knew what modern neuroscience is only now proving. Trauma is not an event that happened to you. It's a program that was installed, and it keeps running long after the thread is gone. For most of human history, we lived in tribes. When someone was traumatized, the whole village performed rituals, drumming, dancing, storytelling, soul retrieval. The community acted as the antivirus. Then civilization scaled. wars industrialized, families fractured, and suddenly the malware could spread unchecked from parent to child, from generation to generation. And here's where it gets cosmic. Recent science has confirmed what the ancients always sensed. Trauma leaves epigenetic marks, chemical tags on your DNA that change how genes express without changing the code itself. Studies on Holocaust survivors, the Dutch hunger winter, and even modern refugee populations show that the children and grandchildren of the traumatized carry altered stress responses in their very biology. The malware is hereditary. But here's the beautiful glitch in the matrix. Epigenetic changes are reversible. You are not doomed to run your ancestors' code forever. You can be the one who ends the loop. You, right now. Let's go deeper into the mainframe. Bessel van der Kolk's groundbreaking work, The Body Keeps the Score, showed us that trauma is literally stored in the tissues. The body becomes the hard drive. When the original event happened, your amygdala, the ancient smoke detector in your brain, lit up like a supernova. It flooded your system with stress hormones, cortisol, adrenaline, norepinephrine. Your prefrontal cortex, the watchtower that says you are safe now, went offline. Your hippocampus, the librarian that files memories with timestamps, fragmented. So the memory never got properly archived. It stays raw, alive, waiting. That's why a smell, a tone of voice, or even a certain kind of silence can trigger a full physiological flashback. Your body believes the danger is happening now. Meanwhile, the vagus nerve, your internal safety regulator, gets stuck in a defensive posture: fight, flight, freeze, or fawn. You might notice it as chronic tension in your shoulders, gut issues, autoimmune flares, emotional numbness, or that exhausting hypervigilance that makes rest feel dangerous. And the quantum layer? Your biofield, the subtle energy matrix that surrounds and interpenetrates your body, becomes distorted. Trauma creates stuck energetic signatures. In energy psychology and emerging consciousness research, these imprints behave like interference patterns in a quantum field. Your focused awareness, intention, and somatic presence can collapse those old patterns into new, coherent ones. The trauma code is not just psychological, it's neurological, it's physiological, it's energetic, and it's hackable. So, how do we identify the specific malware running in your system? Look for the repeating loops, the same type of partner, the same self-sabotage right before success, the same freeze when it's time to speak your truth, the same rage that erupts from nowhere. These are not character flaws. They are subroutines. The code usually contains 3 core instructions. You are not safe. You are not worthy. You must control everything or you will die. Your job in this heist is to locate the original install point, the core memory or the ancestral imprint, without getting re-traumatized. That's why we never rush straight at the memory like amateurs. We use the back door. We regulate the nervous system first. We bring online the parts of the brain that were offline during the original event. Once the body feels safe, the code becomes visible and deletable. All right, co-conspirator, this is the moment we go hands-on. Find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably, feet on the floor if possible. We're going to run a full antivirus protocol. Step 1, establish the firewall of safety. Place one hand on your chest, one on your belly. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your breath. Silently say, I am here. I am safe in this moment. Notice any place in your body that feels even slightly okay or neutral. Anchor there. Step 2, pendulation, the oscillation technique. Gently bring to mind a very mild activation, a small trigger or body sensation connected to your pattern. Notice it, then immediately swing back to the safe, neutral place, back and forth, like a gentle tide. This teaches your nervous system that it can approach the memory without being flooded. Do this for a minute or 2. Step 3, decrypt the code, body scan. Now scan slowly from head to toes. Where do you feel tightness, heat, numbness, or emptiness? These are the physical addresses where the malware is stored. No need to analyze yet, just locate. Breathe into that area as if you're shining a soft light. Step 4, the deletion sequence, ancient plus modern fusion. Imagine stepping into a sacred vault, a place between worlds. See the trauma code as glowing strings of light or lines of ancient script running through your body and energy field. Using your intention like a master key, speak or silently declare, I see you. I honor the protection you once gave me. Your mission is complete. I now release you with gratitude and love. Visualize cutting the cords, dissolving the strings, or watching the code unravel into light. For the somatic layer, allow any natural trembling, sighing, yawning, or heat to happen. This is your body discharging the frozen survival energy, exactly like animals do after escaping a predator. If it feels right, gently tap or move your eyes side to side, bilateral stimulation, while staying with the sensation until it softens. Step 5, soul retrieval, the Freedom Sphere Special. Call back any fragments of your essence that fled. Imagine them returning as light, color, or even a younger version of you stepping back into your body, feel the wholeness landing. Step 6. Install the new operating system. Fill the newly cleared space with what you choose now: safety, worthiness, freedom. See it as golden light or pure presence flooding every cell. Take 3 deep breaths. Shake your body gently if needed. Open your eyes when you're ready. Well done! You just ran a successful extraction. Every time you delete a piece of this code, you don't just heal yourself. You heal backward and forward through time. Your children will inherit a calmer nervous system. Your ancestors' suffering finally gets to rest. You become the breaker of chains, the hacker who rewrote the family operating system. This is how civilizations actually evolve, not through grand revolutions, but through quiet, courageous individuals who refuse to pass on the malware. You are that individual. The trauma code is just the beginning. Next week, we're infiltrating an even deeper vault. The quantum forgiveness protocol, how to collapse the energetic debt of betrayal and set yourself radically free. If this transmission cracked something open in you, do 2 things right now. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a heist. Drop a comment with the word deleted if you felt even a single line of code start to unravel. Share this with someone who's still running old programming. You might be the one who hands them the key. You are not broken. You were never broken. You are simply running someone else's code. Now you know how to delete it. Welcome to the other side. I'll see you in the next transmission.